Hello everyone, we are with our Tesla stock. As you can see, it's traded at around $238. That is, the market is closed. But friends, when we look at the moving averages and our chart from a distance, we see a narrowing triangle formation. According to this formation, even if there are violations, we see that it moves up and downside inside it. Now when we look, we have come a long way upwards. That is, we have come towards our upper trend line. However, the $252 level that we should look at our upper trend line is important. Let's place a horizontal line here below. If things go badly, I think $175 can be a good support. But we are far from these two extreme examples at the moment. After passing these two or three examples, what I will say is as follows. If there is a selling movement after this rise, let's pay attention to the $225 moving average and then the moving average of 218 and 211 and 208 will be waiting for us respectively. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart right away. There's a moving environment in the 4-hour chart. It's closer to the price movement $234. For example, the closest support is also this red moving average. When we look at the average, you see that it has a lot of contact with, there's a separation movement here. It went with the contacts, then it gives the idea that it will come here again. Let's pay attention to these, but at the moment it seems like the $252 level will come, which is the point of where I feel the most. According to this rise, you have watched the video up to this point, so thank you very much. Goodbye.